Oh, this looks good with GMK Honor.
Dude, it does.
How does yours look? Let me see. But we're using these switches today. We're using these with the Kaze. So, quick little thing. Endland Keys sent me these. They're Diamond Avalon switches, I believe they're called. Pretty interesting. We figured out yesterday that I believe, who was it that's making these? TTC, I believe, is the overall menu. I think Gingy was saying. Interesting switch. Let me show you guys something really quick when I open this up. It's a very interesting switch. Look at the stem. Look at the stem of this, guys. Interesting, right? It's like a little octagon. Sorry, I'm not really... Interesting, right? All right. Let's go see if we can get Geo. It's been a while since I've had someone on my stream. Not bad. I don't think like the keyboard community has done one of these in like, I swear to God, 1.5 years. It has been a while.
It was, yeah, I agree. There was like a time when it was like a thing and you saw it every so often, but then, yeah, it kind of went out, right? It was less popular. But...
Yeah, it's not as popular. God damn. Dude, I opened up my Kaze. Okay. So by the way, guys, it's been so long that I can't remember what plates I got for my Kaze. I guess me and my infinite wisdom, I ordered by accident 2 aluminum plates instead of 1 half plate. Yeah, 2 full aluminums. I don't even know why I have 2 full.
Okay. So I've got. We're gonna do FR4 half, I think.
I can cut mine to be an FR4 half.
If you know what, I'm gonna leave that. I don't think I'm gonna be able to. I don't have the balls to do that. To like modify stock plates, I'm like too chicken.
Should I, guys? Should I also just modify my FR4 or should I just use full? Actually, I'd be curious to see what a full versus a half plate sounds like. I'll use the FR4 if you are.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, everything here is still packed up.
I am interested. And I have, oh my God, so many things here too.
What do we got? Feet, screws, X-ring, PCB. I think that's it.
I got 2 PCBs.
You got how many? I got 2 as well.
Yeah. I ordered 1 extra because I'm not gonna lie, I've seen too many people fuck up this particular board and knock off the USB-C with the X-ring. So that's why I wanted to.
Okay, and is that like... Oh, the USB-C's mounted like up or something, like it's on top? Yeah. Is that what's causing the problem?
Some people... I've seen like this happen 3 or 4 times now, where the X-ring has to go basically... okay, I don't know if you're looking at my screen right now, but the X-ring goes here, because the switches go here. So it puts pressure on the USB-C.
Oh, and it like pops it forward or what?
Yeah, some people have just torn it off because this O-ring or this X-ring is super tight as well.
Okay.
So it is pretty tough to get this thing on.
Okay, so wait,
you built one, right?
No, I haven't built one yet. Have you?
Oh, I built like 3 or 4.
Oh, okay. No, this is my first go. This is my first go, so we'll have to see. Have you popped the USB-C off?
I have not damaged it.
Okay.
But watch it happen to mine today. That's why I got 2 PCBs.
Okay.
Just watch.
No, we good.
I wonder though, did he include on this PCB an area to solder in a JST connector? Not that you could use it for this, but just out of curiosity.
It doesn't look like on the back.
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Are Kaze's dropping soon? No, we just I don't think Ryan's gonna do a round 2, right?
He specifically said he wasn't going to, actually. But
okay.
I don't know. I think the board, it's funny actually, because I think the boards on the back say Kaze 00, and I think that's like intended to be like the one time, you know?
One and only?
Wait, you two building the same board? Yes, Keybmat. Alex and I are doing, so Keybmat, I'm not top mounting mine. I was going to X-ring it, but I think to swap it between X-ring and top mount is like probably what, Alex, 10 minutes, maybe?
Yeah, not much. Not even.
Yeah.
I am going to look it up later to see where I should do the cuts on this, and I'm probably going to cut this to be a half plate myself. Edward said, Alex, your photos are getting crazier. I really love the Delta 50. Are you using a single lighting for those? Yeah, so actually, if you want to kind of see, here, I'll just get up Gio's probably going to be talking over me, but I'll just show you. But I use this little light right over here, and I bounce it off the wall. It's a aperture 60D. So actually, no, I can reach it. Hold on. I just do this. I bounce it off the wall like that now. I turn off all the other lights. And then it just kind of like floods my little corner. I was using a softbox before, but honestly, I'm running out of space. I'm just bouncing it off the wall. And then I have a big piece of foam that I use to reflect the light. So I kind of, like, you can even see over here, guys. See how it's like, it helps shape
So nice.
things? So you can help shape it this way here by using a big foam block.
Yeah.
So I do that. No, whatever. And then that's pretty much how I've been doing my photos. Sean, thank you so much for the tier 1, dude.
I love, I was going to say, I love just like having a really functional kind of low effort setup is what I will say. The coolest piece of kit in your setup is your primary light.
Oh, yeah, you've seen it now. Yeah.
So like if you hold up your right hand, yeah, exactly. So I have a delay on the stream, but if you hold up your right hand and point at the camera, basically it's like right there. I love that.
It's right here.
Dude, I need that. Like I'm like, if I had that, this whole room would look different. And I'm really kind of like, if I'm gonna do something next, that's probably where I'm gonna spend my money.
Yeah, there's a, if you guys, like I said, I think we're gonna do a whole stream based off of just some like, I'd like to get some other people on. Like, if you guys don't know, Edward in chat, I know he's saying that my stuff's good. Listen, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I know that I love someone's photography when I'm pulling inspiration from them. And I've literally pulled inspiration from Edward. So there's been a few times where like, I've been like, yo, like shout out, like I've got this inspiration type thing. Great photography. Another person to look out for is Markerchan. He's also very, very good.
Markerchan, yeah.
Great use of props. I think he usually does like very simplistic, like a lot of people have been doing this for lighting. I think my go-to lighting used to be from like this way or this way. So I get shadows over here. That's how I used to like to play with my shadows. Now I'm starting to go into like this way, and the shadows cast over here, just like on my stream, right? So I've been playing more with that. So Kron's in chat too. Also someone who does great. I think he uses flashes, so he uses strobes instead of using consistent lighting. So another great person to look out for too if you want someone who's taking some great photos.
Dude, AC, his flat lay stuff lately with like it's like kind of like multi-layered. Man, I'm really digging that lately for sure.
Insty says, for me, it's the keyboard bag being used as a weight for your light. Not many people know about that, Insty. Not many people know about that.
That's BTS info right there.
That's super behind the scenes.
Right? It's like, I don't know, dude. Okay. The fitment of the top case to the bottom case is, I haven't actually unscrewed this and taken it apart before. That's pretty wild. That's like,
Oh, I gotta unscrew mine.
that's very nice. Very, very nice. I do have to tease Ryan a little bit though, because the alu plate is secured to the top case using Phillips screws, and I kind of would squint and say like, Ryan, what are you doing? What about M2, man? What like what's going on here?
I don't even get why they did that for. Like, why didn't they just use the screws that came with it instead of?
I don't know.
Off just buying more screws.
The bag. Right, I guess the bag has the other ones, right? This is like just the ones that secure the shipping or whatever. Yeah, weird.
But the Kaze is not the first board that I've seen that does that. There's been other boards too where they just kind of like stick random screws that you're supposed to screw out and basically throw away. Yeah. Which is kind of weird and almost feels a little bit wasteful.
It is kind of weird, isn't it? I agree with you. Right? Sloth, this is what I'm saying, man. You got to bug. You be like, why did the Kaze ship with Phillips screws? Like, what the hell?
Can someone link me alexotos' OnlyFans page? Oh my gosh.
That's more behind the scenes. That's more behind the scenes info. You got to pay Insty for that.
Insty runs if you guys don't realize it, Insty runs a lot of the OnlyFans accounts in the community.
Actually true. actually true.
Onlytoes.com? That sounds terrible. Do not click on that.
Dude, absolutely, you must buy that domain regardless if you plan on using it.
All right, so I found the easiest way was to start near the USB. So you don't have to worry about like stretching it later towards that.
Yep.
And
Okay.
then
But hang on, what about the
alignment,
angle?
you want
Yeah.
to get like the box kind of outside. It's not going to be 100 perfect, but like the
Hang on,
flatter
hang on,
side
hang on.
should go outside.
Hang on, what flatter side? 1 second.
So, you know, it's kind of like, imagine it being an X, right?
Yeah.
Put the X so it'd be like, instead of putting it on a point, put it on like a flat side.
Wait, what?
Here, I'll kind of...
I'm watching. I want to see the zoom in. I want to see the zoom in.
Put it like this. So it's like a flat side up here. And not...
Okay, yeah, that's what I
yeah.
thought. That's what I thought. Okay, okay. And you don't want it twisting. Yeah, that I get. That I get for sure. I mean, it's beautiful. Let me see here. Yeah, I mean, it closes perfectly. I mean, there's no weird gaps or anything. So I feel like I got it. I don't know. I feel like I got it. Okay.
Time to close it all up.
Yeah, time to close it up. Let's see.
Lulz couldn't swing it tonight. He's apparently moving into a new place.
Yeah.
Honestly, though, what time is it?
9:30 for you.
No. We're only an hour and 32 minutes into stream. I think this is 30 minutes before Ryan would have taken out the stabs, so I don't know if he could have kept up with us, you know?
It's actually true, though. Actually true. I'll tell you, though, man. Here's the thing. All jokes aside, you ever seen chat show up for someone's talk show other than Ryan, though? Like,
dude, his
guy has like
200
200 plus followers for a just chatting stream for 2 hours, man.
He's entertaining. He's smart. He has probably the best jawline in the community.
Actually true. Actually true.
He also says cute things like, dude, come on, bro. Like that. It's amazing. I love Ryan's stream. I go there all the time.
Absolutely.
He says cool catchphrases like, joking my ass.
Are you joking my... Actually true.
Also, Gio, what do you think of the switches, the diamond switches in this case?
Dude, it's absolutely gorgeous.
It's kind of cool, right?
It's amazing. It's amazing.
This is kind of neat. I like this.
So, spoiler alert, I don't know about you. I am digging the sound on mine. I haven't done a full test, but I just gave a few taps. The space bar.
Oh shit, you're ahead. How did you get ahead of me? I was ahead of you. I gotta hurry up.
We'll see.
Oh god, my keycap set's a mess though. So you might have a one up on me. Oh, this looks good with GMK Honor.
Dude, it does.
Do you remember if the Kaze has a clear coated brass weight, or is it?
I think no. I think it was just what. I think it was just that. I think it was just the way you got it.
So it's not clear coated, right?
I don't think so.
Ooh, that means it's gonna patina nice. All right, I'm down to start typing on this if you are.
All right.
I am using the full plate, guys, the aluminum full plate. So that was the half plate. All right, so I'm using those diamond Avalon switches with the full aluminum. They're just lubed. I did not film them because I could not get them to film. They don't need them. And then let's plug it in. That is it. And this is X-ring, not top, because I think the top with alu would be a little bit too loud. I'll give you guys a little HJ test. Ooh. Damn. sounds normal. Honestly, this sounds really good. I mean, it sounds like in line with a lot of other builds. I would say like my Envoy definitely has a bit more, I don't know, bass to it. But this has like a certain... Hit the F13?
Let's see.
What do you guys think of the F13 key?
Oh man, that F13 is wild, dude. Is wild. I mean, I'd waited to build this board for quite a while, so like, I was a little bit like, okay, I really hope I like it once we finally get to it. But
No, this
I'm
turned
pleased
out
for sure, man.
really, really good. I am very pleased. I am going to be emailing Ryan about my F13 key because it's not returning. And I'm not, it wasn't me who did it.
Wait,
I didn't
what?
do it. My F13
Did you
key is not returning.
But did you test it before you built?
Yeah, I think I did.
It says yeah. Gee. Oh my god. Okay.
I think it's
very
user
good,
error. I don't know,
very
man.
good. Very
I don't
good.
know about that one.
Nick, thank you so much for the follow as well. Appreciate you. I appreciate
Skill
you.
issue, to be honest? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I'm going to hit you with the Teja. Okay.
Oh, Smoj.
Some mode.
You guys have a good night. Appreciate you. Thanks for everyone who followed. And yeah, we'll talk to you at the end of the week.
Bye, everybody. Gonna raid now. Bye.